everyone, welcome to another exciting video at Excel Maniac. So today's topic is gonna be how we can import web page data into our Excel data. Like in this instance, here is a list at investing.com where we have our financial data about Dow Jones, S&P and all the prominent indexes, and we want this data to be imported to our Excel table. Apart from that, we also want this list should refresh itself. Like you are not supposed to just refresh or import it again and again to see the updated data. So the requirement is it should come to the Excel and should get refreshed every 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you set based on your requirements. So to do that, we will go to Data tab, click on this Import from Web Pages. We will take the URL. So once you will hit the URL, it will take some time and load the relevant tables from the page. You have to check within which table you have your required data. Click load. This is a direct import because there are tables which are quite in format. So you are not supposed to change anything with these. So that's why you can just quickly import these. As you can see, the tables has arrived. So now the thing is, if you want to transform your tables, so in this case, I want serial numbers, but I don't want like I will just add a column and will write serial numbers. No, this is not what I want. I want every time I will refresh, the new data should come along with the numbers. Okay, so to do that, you will go to table designs, a little big, properties, include rows, and then refresh. So it will say running background query, and once refreshed, updated data plus your rows will come. Second thing is, if you want to refresh it itself, so again you will click on the table, go to query, go to properties, here it is properties, refresh, it is said minutes. If you want like 5 minutes, then you will write like 5. Okay, so it will get refreshed itself. Again, if your table needs modification, like in this example, I will show you. Okay, here in this example, if you will see, if we want to import our Nifty 50 data, however, the company names are written quite in format, but in this scenario, if you will import this data, there is going to be certain complications. Like from web again, just type the URL, enter. It will take a few minutes. Again, you have to do the same procedure. You have to identify the tables where your relevant data stands. So here you can see for Reliance, R is repetitive, T is repetitive, SDFC, H is repetitive, Bharti Airtel, B is repetitive. So first thing that you will do is you can just simply manage things from transform. So rather than loading the data directly, go to transform. Okay, so another window will appear after loading data into a Power Query editor. Okay, here see your column 1 says like this, but your column 2 says everything is fine. Okay, so all the relevant data that you need, you should import. All the non-relevant data that you don't want, like here, I don't want column 1. I will say remove. Only thing that I want is the price. The rest of the columns I really don't want. So what I will do, I will select this and remove everything else. If you want, you can keep these. Okay, so only thing that required for me is the name and the price. I will say load. All these steps that you just performed will be recorded here, and these will be auto performed every time you refresh the query. Like here, I will say click and load. So it will take a few seconds, like again. So here the amount has arrived. You want your name to be changed, so you can say amount, column here you can say name. Every time you will refresh this now, like refresh. So you are not supposed to perform all those steps again and again. So this is how you can save a hell lot of time from your work schedule. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. And if you want such automation videos in future, do let me know in the comment section.